Hello Dean. There is a ton of quality budget laser hair removal in 2021. But which one is gonna be the best for you and your specific needs? In this video we will be checking out the best budget laser hair removal. I have made a list based on performance features and more. I have included options for every type of consumer to make sure that you find the right product for you. Don't forget the like and subscribe button. Let's go.
The fifth product on our list is the Poseidon Permanent Hair Remover. This is our best pain-free hair removal. If you've considered home hair removal options, you'll know that most devices use IPL or intense pulsed light technology and how it can be a little painful. If pain has been holding you back from trying laser hair removal at home, then you'll love the Poseidon Permanent Hair Remover. It uses optimal pulse technology that offers nearly painless hair removal, and it's currently priced at $260. The optimal pulse technology offers the best of both traditional lasers and IPL devices, so you get effective hair removal that leaves your skin silky and smooth. It continuously accumulates heat in hair follicles to prevent hair regrowth. It brings the salon treatments into the comfort of your own home. You can choose from the 5 adjustable light energy settings depending on your hair growth and sensitivity of the skin area to ensure you get a gentle but effective treatment. You'll feel the instant 360-degree dynamic cooling feature on the treated areas for zero pain hair removal. It rapidly cools and shrinks the pores so your skin doesn't get irritated. You'll be more than relieved at just how painless the whole process actually is. To keep it relatively painless and comfortable, the overall treatment can take a little time. If you want a hair remover that works much quicker, stay tuned for the Remington iLight Pro Plus coming up later in this video. The Poseidon Permanent Hair Remover is completely safe and clinically tested to reduce up to 96% hair reduction even after 3 treatments. The extra features are optimal pulse technology, combination of energy and wavelength. It has the advantages of both laser and IPL. 360-degree surround cooling technology uses cutting-edge surround ice panels to cool treatment areas rapidly. The pros are painless. Poseidon uses optimal pulse technology versus the more intensive IPL method for reduced pain. AI control technology. Poseidon's unique auto flash method provides you smooth pulses and ultra-fast flash, which can remove your whole unwanted hair. Quality. Uses high-end medical-grade material for durability and safety. And for the cons, slow. It takes time for lasting results. If the thought of painful hair removal has put you off trying a home system, the Poseidon Permanent Hair Remover uses optimal pulse technology that offers nearly painless hair removal, so now you don't have to put off having silky smooth skin. The fourth product on our list is DS-GP590 Icy Cool IPL. This is the best 3-in-1 laser hair removal. If you make great efforts to keep your skin smooth and silky, but find the cost of spa treatments adding up, then you'll love the $300 DS-GP590 Icy Cool IPL. It not only permanently removes unwanted hair, but it's a 3-in-1 device that can also rejuvenate your skin and treat acne problems, all in the comfort of your own home at a fraction of the cost of spa treatments. The DS uses the same IPL or intense pulsed light technology that many spas and dermatologists use. It's clinically proven, and you'll love how it works on both small and large areas. You'll find it easy to use, especially with the touch display that guides you through all the steps and options, including intensity levels. The DS is very versatile, and the lamp is detachable and comes with 3 different filters. The hair removal filter flashes light that's absorbed by the hair root, preventing it from growing back. You'll feel the cool, soothing comfort of the advanced dual action that reduces the heat created during the process. The skin rejuvenation filter helps to improve your vessel function and microcirculation to enhance your skin's immunity, and the acne treatment filter helps to assist the recovery of acne skin. The 3-in-1 feature is great, but if you want an IPL hair remover that focuses on full-body hair removal, then stay tuned for the Luma RX full-body IPL hair removal device coming up later in the video. The extra features are IPL technology, the same tech used by top salons and dermatologists. Advanced dual action, helps cool the skin to avoid skin burn and irritations. The pros are affordable. It's affordably priced, especially when you consider the versatility of uses as a 3-in-1. 3-in-1. Comes with 3 light filters for hair removal, skin rejuvenation, and acne treatment. Touch display, easy to use with straightforward options. And for the cons, not wireless. It can be awkward to reach difficult areas with the cord. If you want beautiful skin but don't want to pay the high cost of spa treatments, the DS-GP590 Icy Cool IPL is the perfect solution for hair removal, skin rejuvenation, and acne treatment. Together, it's a one-stop beauty system designed to give you long-lasting smooth skin. The third product on our list is the Remington iLight Pro Plus. This is the best value for dollar hair removal. If the thought of using a hair removal device at home sounds great, but you've heard that it can be quite time-consuming, then you'll be excited about the $350 iLight Pro Plus Quartz system. It's designed for the easiest and fastest treatment of larger areas of the skin than many other in-home solutions. Unlike the Poseidon permanent hair remover, the Remington iLight Pro Plus is an IPL hair remover that flashes an intense pulse of light at the skin, which targets the hair follicles and disrupts their growth, so you can expect results that last up to 6 months. Even though it's not cordless, you'll find it very easy to use the light and ergonomic hand unit to treat hard-to-reach spots. You have 5 different intensity settings and an automatic safety locking function when the device detects that it is not placed completely over the skin or if the skin is too dark. Although the spot size is less than the Luma RX full-body IPL hair removal device, the iLight Pro Plus has a rapid 2 seconds between pulses to cover areas quickly and delivers a powerful 16 joules per flash, providing greater hair reduction in fewer treatments. The extra features are optimal pulse technology, combination of energy and wavelength. It has the advantages of both laser and IPL. 360-degree surround cooling technology, uses cutting-edge surround ice panel to cool treatment areas rapidly, which also shrinks your pores. The pros are convenient. No recharging required. Powerful. 16 joules per flash for faster hair reduction. Covers large areas. The rapid flashes allow you to cover a larger area faster. Safe. FDA approved. And for the cons, replacement cartridges. You have to buy replacement cartridges. Expensive. Once you add on the additional replacement cartridges. Not portable. As a wired device, it's not very portable. Home hair removal devices may be a blessing for smoother skin, but it can be quite time-consuming. If you tried other hair removal systems and find it tediously slow, the iLight Pro Plus Quartz system is designed for the easiest and fastest treatment of larger areas of the skin than many other in-home solutions. The second product on our list is the Luma RX full-body IPL hair removal device. This is our best laser hair removal for large areas. If you're tired of repeating trips to expensive salons and dermatologist offices, the Luma RX full-body IPL hair removal device offers salon-quality removal in the comfort and privacy of your home. The $450 Luma RX has a wide treatment window that especially makes it great for large areas or full-body treatments. You can have permanent hair reduction in just 3 treatments with the professional IPL-level Luma RX and remove up to 97% of your hair without spending thousands of dollars and the flexibility to use it as often as you want when needed. It's very safe for all types of skin, with filters that remove harmful rays including infrared that can cause pain or burns. It's specially designed for full-body hair removal, making it easy for you to treat large parts of the body like your legs with its wide treatment window. The Luma RX is corded, so you never have to worry about recharging, and it allows you to have longer sessions for those larger areas. For smaller regions, you can add the attachment cap that reduces the range to treat your face. However, it doesn't reduce the light enough for eyebrows or areas around the eyes. You can adjust between the 5 intensity levels as well as the 2 different flash speeds. If you prefer the convenience of a wireless device, stay tuned for the wireless Tria Beauty hair removal laser coming up next. The extra features are attachment cap. You can use the attachment cap to reduce the range to treat smaller areas. Safe. Has filters that remove harmful rays including infrared that can cause pain or burns. The pros are versatile. Even men can use it. Powerful. Provides professional-grade IPL treatments. Fast. Treat small areas in less than 2 minutes and large areas, such as a full leg, in about 20 minutes. Settings. Depending on the area, you can choose from 5 intensity levels as well as the 2 different flash speeds. And for the cons, powerful. It's recommended to wear protective eyewear when using this device. If you find most hair removal devices too slow for large areas, the Luma RX full-body IPL hair removal device has a wide treatment window for targeting larger areas and offers salon-quality removal in the comfort and privacy of your home. The first product on our list is the Tria Beauty hair removal laser. This is our best overall laser hair removal. If you've tried IPL hair removal products but find you're not getting the long-term results you want or don't want to be spending thousands of dollars for hair removal treatments, then you'll be thrilled with the Tria handheld beauty hair removal laser. It's powered by the same in-office diode laser technology used by dermatologists but at a fraction of the in-office treatment, and it's currently priced at $450. Tria is clinically proven to give you better long-term results because the diode lasers are more concentrated and can focus deeper into the pores of your skin to treat the follicles and prevent hair growth. It delivers over 3 times more hair-eliminating energy than IPL or intense pulsed light devices since they don't actually use lasers. It's simple to use. The LED interactive display guides you through each treatment safely and effectively. You can adjust the 5 different intensity levels depending on the targeted area, and without worrying about cords, so you can easily reach areas for a more comfortable experience. The extra features are eye safety. The laser only pulses when the whole aperture is touching your skin, preventing accidental pulses. Skin tone sensor. Automatically detects hair pigments. Powerful. Most powerful home use device. Safety. It's the only FDA-cleared hair removal laser technology available for home use. The pros are results. Tria can reduce up to 70% of unwanted hair after just 2 treatments in as few as 3 months. 5 intensity levels. Different areas of your body are more sensitive than others, so you can adjust the intensity level. Battery. It's ideal for covering multiple face and body parts during each treatment with up to 30 minutes of battery life. And for the cons, heavy, just under 600 grams. Some may find it heavy. Time-consuming. Large areas can be time-consuming. Use while charging. You can't use the Tria while it charges. Tria uses actual lasers compared to IPL devices to focus deeper into the pores of your skin and treat the follicles to prevent hair growth, giving you smoother skin all in the comfort of your own home while saving thousands of dollars on hair removal treatments. Tria is actually a good economical investment while you're on your way to having smoother, more touchable skin permanently.
Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed yourself, make sure to press that like button. And if you want to see more of these videos, make sure to press that subscribe button and notification so you would know when we drop a new video. Also, if you're interested in any of these products, you will find all their links in the description. Thank you.